Today we're baking
pumpkin rolls
from scratch.
So as you can see, today we have another guest. Last time we forgot to introduce our guest, but we're not going to be doing that again. So,
Hi, I'm Yasmin.
So before we begin, we have something special. A gift, a welcoming gift.
Huh?
Congratulations, you have an apron of your own.
Thank you. Thank you. Sorry. Come out.
this.
My father made it for you.
He made it. Like, are you actually serious?
Yeah, he made all of these. He bought the fabrics and then...
Dad is so talented.
So for this recipe, we're gonna need 3/4 a cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a cup of granulated sugar, 3 large eggs, 2/3 a cup of canned pumpkin, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then later on for the filling, we're gonna need 8 ounces of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of powdered sugar. Come on!
Our first step is going to be to preheat the oven to 350 degrees and then put parchment paper on the pan.
When you're putting the parchment paper on your pan, you're going to want to make sure to leave a little bit of space on the edges, so that way when it comes out of the oven, you can actually take it off.
So now we're gonna mix in the flour, salt, baking soda, and cinnamon.
Once you've done that, in another bowl, mix together the sugar, the eggs, the vanilla extract, and the pumpkin.
So now we're going to mix the two and form the batter.
So we've made our batter, and now we're just going to pour it into the pan and put it into the oven for 14 to 15 minutes. So it was a lot harder to spread it than I thought it would be, but finally I've done it.
Okay, so the pumpkin roll came out and it turned out pretty good. So now we're gonna roll it and put it on this cooling rack.
And then let it cool there till it's room temperature. Alright, so while we wait for the pumpkin rolls to cool, we're going to go ahead and make the filling. Alright, so the pumpkin roll has cooled down, so now what we're going to do is unroll it and put our filling inside of it.
Now that you've evenly spread it, you're gonna wanna roll it up without the parchment paper.
So now we're going to leave the pumpkin roll in the fridge for an hour.
Alright, so it's been an hour. We've taken it out of the fridge. It's nice and cool, so now we're going to sprinkle it with powdered sugar and enjoy it. I'd say that this is definitely a worthwhile recipe. It's really simple, and the filling's really good. The roll itself is also really good.
But this is all we have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you try it at home, good for you. Comment down below, subscribe, hit that like button.
Have a good
Share on
day.
your social media. Follow these guys.
Pan.
You can go on the other side here.
I don't wanna be on this side.
You don't want to be next to me?
No.
What?
Oh wait, let me have a story time. I want to tell Yasmin. I was thinking about the unibrow and I thought, hey, mustache. Hey, in kindergarten I had a little packet of mustaches as like a prize, but they were tattoos.
Oh.
So me being the smartest one in the class,
Obviously.
I put one on my nose, let it do it, and I said, "Oh, hey, class." And yeah, it was at the end of the day, so nobody could really witness my greatness.